Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the switch case structure in programming. Switch case is a powerful tool for handling multiple conditions efficiently. Let's get started. What is switch case? Switch case is a control flow statement in C# that allows a variable to be tested for equality against multiple values. It provides a more structured and readable alternative to multiple if-else statements. When to use switch case 1. When checking a variable against multiple fixed values. 2. When replacing complex if-else structures for better readability. 3. When working with enum types for state management. Comparison with if-else. Switch case provides a cleaner and more readable structure compared to if-else. Especially in multiple conditions, if-else chains can become complex. We will make an example to see how we can check months using the switch case structure. Switch case is a useful structure, especially for checking multiple different values of a variable. First, we define a variable called monthIndex. This variable holds a number representing the current month. For example, 1 represents January, 2 represents February, and it continues up to 12. Each case statement will represent a specific month and print a message unique to that month. If the variable's value does not match any case, the default case will execute and display a message indicating an invalid input. This structure helps us make our code more organized and readable. The key advantage of switch case over if-else is that it provides a more concise and efficient way to check multiple conditions quickly. Another important aspect of switch case is its performance benefits. In some programming languages, switch case can be faster than multiple if-else statements because it is optimized internally by the compiler or interpreter. This makes it a great choice for situations where you need to check many possible values of a single variable. Additionally, switch case makes the code easier to read. When another developer or even yourself in the future looks at the code, it becomes much simpler to understand the logic right away. Each case is clearly separated, making it easier to follow the flow of the program. Now that we know the benefits of switch case, let's write some real code. We will create an example where we check the month using a number and show the name of the month. Let's try it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it. See you in the next video.